Good morning from Phan Thiet Harbor. As the sun rises over these incredible fishing boats, our Vietnam adventure begins. Welcome back to the market. We are so happy to see you.
Fresh fish, get the best fish right here.
Look at these beautiful textiles.
Fresh seafood grilling now. The freshest fish in the market. Come and try some.
The flavor of Phan Thiet's Bánh Canh truly begins with these fresh morning catches.
Best quality spices right here. Look at the color on this paprika.
How much for the sumac?
Here you go, try the spicy one.
Oh, it smells amazing. Thank you.
I can't wait to try mine.
This bánh canh is delicious. The broth is perfect.
I agree, best one in the market.
Ngon quá.
Đúng là công thức gia truyền có khác.
The secret to the broth is simple, really. It's all in these fish bones, simmering away for hours.
The key to fresh chả cá is the texture. See how bouncy it is when I squeeze it. That's the perfect consistency we look for.
The first taste, so soft, and the essence of the sea.
I love coming here on a Saturday. The coffee alone is worth the wait.
Definitely. And this breakfast bowl is incredible.
Look at this beautiful golden chả cá. The natural sweetness really shines through because it's handmade with the freshest local fish.
This is incredible.
Oh, wow, that is hot, but so good.
Dip it quick before it's gone.
This was our stall back in the 70s. We only sold mangoes then.
Wow, really?
Traditions are not just rituals. They are the stories we live. It is our duty as elders.
This is my favorite shop because it always has the unique and beautiful things. I always find something special here.
The key difference is texture. Frying makes it crispy like this, but boiling makes the fish cake incredibly soft and perfect for soaking up the broth.
Leaving the sweet shop behind, we step out to explore more of this city's fascinating food history.
Welcome, everyone. As you can see from the map behind me, spices are not just ingredients, they are the foundation of global food identity. They tell the story of a region.
This is the rice flour. See the fine texture. The tapioca here is excellent for thickening sauces.
The texture must be perfectly smooth, yet incredibly soft. This elasticity is what we are aiming for in a hand-pulled noodle.
I hope I'm not too late.
You made it just in time and the stew is almost ready.
Adding dried shrimp and fish bones to deepen flavor.
The key to the clarity technique is the slow simmer and the egg white raft. Gently remove the foam like this.
Fish paste mixed with pepper, salt, sugar. Simple but traditional.
The flavor is so wonderfully homemade. Just perfect comfort food.
To a wonderful evening and exquisite food.
Cheers to that. I couldn't agree more.
Is authentic Phan Thiet Bánh Canh. What makes it unique is the broth, slow cooked with incredibly fresh seafood sourced right here from the local fishermen.
Oh wow, this is amazing. We are so happy you like it. This soup is incredible. Did you make this yourself?
Yes, it's an old family recipe.
And I swear, the waiter just stood there completely frozen. That is the funniest thing I've heard all week.
To frozen waiters everywhere. This is incredible food from Phan Thiet. Come visit us and taste it.
And that's when I saw it. After searching all morning, I finally discovered this little spot.
These dishes represent more than just ingredients. They are vessels of culture, carrying the flavors and memories of our ancestors.
Who wants the next piece of banana?
Me.
Careful you don't spoil your dinner.
Coastal life. It's a rhythm all own. The tides, the salt, our quiet peace. And nothing quite like it.
Preserving local cuisine is essential to our heritage. These aren't just recipes, they are our history.
We invite you to explore more Vietnamese coastal food.
Subscribe for more food adventures.